What's up, vlog? Welcome back to another Disneyland video with Jordan and Scarlett. Today we're tackling the Key to Disneyland scavenger hunt, trying out some new food, and of course going on some of our favorite rides.
Eeyore. Do you want to go see Eeyore get a hug?
I'd cry.
Do you want to get a hug from Eeyore? Why not, sissy? Let's get a hug from Eeyore. Come on.
Good luck to you all. You might need it.
Good job, baby. Good job. Oh. I can't.
Do you
Why?
know how to drink?
Apparently not.
Was he impressed with your disguise? No.
We didn't. He had a pretty long line to go. There was a lot of people trying to talk to R2.
I see. Well, I'll have to tell him all about your disguise, and I'm sure he'll be honored to have a decoy. He doesn't get a decoy.
I know, he doesn't.
We'll have to come up with some sort of plan. Maybe.
There is like
You already have a plan.
I have a cousin and he has the exact same thing.
So there's two
three.
decoys. Exactly.
And so do we think we're going to use
Yes.
this to spy on stormtroopers?
I think so.
Maybe we can have R2 kind of creep in really quietly. He's a bit loud sometimes, so we'll tell him that he has to be really quiet. And then you and your cousin can come from the side and distract the stormtroopers, and they won't know what's going on.
They won't even be able to tell the difference.
They will blurt out all of the secrets that they know, and you will remember it, and then R2 will take it down in a scan and we'll report it back to the general.
Okay.
And so maybe I need to also get a matching outfit. That way I can be part of this, right?
It would be a perfect plan.
I think that sounds
so
like it's
well
all coming
executed.
together.
Absolutely.
We're 2 steps ahead already. Do you think we can take a facial scan together? Even if I'm not dressed as a droid, is that all right?
Perfect. All right.
Slightly below your face. Oh, look at your lovely nails too. Mommy raised.
I want to hear you say it.
The hair threw the biggest fucking fit this morning about her hair because she only wanted 1 bun, and then I gave her 3 buns like Ray, and she goes, I think it's really cute on Ray, but it's not for me. We were full-blown fighting this morning about the hair.
Meltdown City. I'm glad she kept the hair though. That was adorable.
So glad she kept the hair.
Survey says
You like it?
that
Let
one's
you guys have a drink.
that one's the move. Here you go, Log. Drink up. And a bite for you too. Nom 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 nom. Essence of cheese pull. And the sauce is like a mustard sauce. That's really interesting. It's a point. Very cool. What in the world? Follow the China shop! God, I hate this food! It's awful!
How excited are you for Small World?
You almost got left.
was trying to be a good Samaritan.
I know, what they dropped.
Her compact.
Oh. I haven't been on Small World since November of last year, so I'm very excited. And this is one of my favorite rides. The worst part of this ride is getting beamed with the sun.
Melting. Ooh, it matches my nails.
It does match your nails. What is it?
Hey, Doc, 5 out of 5.
That's so interesting. Yeah. There has to be some sort of cotton candy flavoring in that because the aftertaste is straight cotton candy. Yeah, I can see why Scarlett loves it. All you, kid.
Really? This is all for me?
That's all for you. I'm mad at myself because I didn't transfer my videos from my vlogging camera to my computer. So as soon as we got here, I got an SD card notification. So I've been having to film on my iPhone, and I just feel out of sorts with that. That's unfortunate. We just had a spill behind us. Why don't you carry extra SD cards? SD cards are like $50. You could get us one spare SD card. How much should you spend on that spare mic? $90. Yeah, SD card. Add that to the content bag list. I hate it when my sister's right. What'd you get? You did so great.
And you were in the
How cute. All right.
Can we check in there?
Yeah.
It's actually been a while since we've been in.
It has been a while since we've done this.
Keep your eyes peeled, okay? Is that it?
No, that's not it.
Okay. So it's by over here, right?
Yep.
You know? Saw it?
Yep.
I have
Good job, babe. Let's see it. Okay, then the last one's right in front of the train station on Main Street.
Can we?
Let's go do it. We're missing one. We forgot to get New Orleans Square.
Mom, you lied to me. It's
One more to
10.
find. We have one more to find. Here you go.
How dare you?
You see it? Oh, there it goes.
Who's that? Who's that?
It's a candelabra from Haunted Mansion. Okay, now you've officially found them all. And you can finish it at the front. Which one was your favorite to collect? Which one?
Spaceman.
Space Mountain was your favorite? What's on the back? What's on the back of that? What is it? Come here. Move out of the way.
It's a T-pin!
What is on it though?
Star Wars. It's Star Wars. Yep, I know it.
You got the Millennium Falcon! Oh no! We got it. Thank you guys. We got the Millennium Falcon. Do you like it?
So cool.
I love it.
How?
It was in a little hidden compartment.
That's why
opened,
it was. That's why it was. Good.
That opened when you finished it.
That's so cool.
So cool, huh?
I want to put it back.
Well, we can put it in our pin board so it doesn't get scratched.
Yeah.
Yeah?
Yeah.
You like it?
Yeah.
How cool. Never ever you say, huh?
Yeah. For 100 years. When I'm 99, I'm never.
You'll go on it when you're 99?
No.
No, not even when you're 99. On your bucket list, it was Incredicoaster at night. Is this night enough? Yeah? You
Yeah.
think so?
Yeah. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go!
We didn't even get a before video of the bacon cheddar soup from Aunt Cass Cafe because Scarlett was so hungry. But this is absolutely phenomenal and it's so warm. It's really chilly out right now. I wish we could have filmed our first bite reactions because it is that good. What do you think of your soup?
10 out of 10.
10 out of 10, absolutely. This monstrosity, on the other hand, I don't know who decided it was a good idea to change the best sandwich ever. And is this a jalapeno on the focaccia? No, it's a sun-dried tomato, which just confirms that it is a sun-dried tomato Parmesan focaccia. But why is it no longer in a triangle? Why do you give these tiny ass rectangles now? Disappointed. It's still going to taste great, but Scarlett's is definitely the winner. Auntie's still somewhere over there waiting in line for her food. Who knows?